Have you ever sat at the side of a piece of water and wondered what was going on underneath? Well, call it fish finding. Nowadays, all that information can be in the angler's palm of their hand with the new Lucky Laker Fish Finder from Glasgow Angling Centre. This fantastic piece of kit can be used in saltwater, freshwater. You can use it on the canals, you can use it off the bank, you can use it off the boat. But the great advantage of it is no longer do you have to carry a TV screen, a car battery. That's all you need to do is download the Free Fish app onto your Android or your Apple phone, connect it to this, put it on the water, and all the information is yours. On the top of your Lucky Laker Fish Finder, there's a screw cap. Unscrew that. There's a press button, push it, you will see the light come on. Make sure you secure the screw cap back on tight before you ever put it on the water. Then get your mobile device, whether it's Android or Apple, and go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the Fish Finder network and join it. Then launch the Free Fish Finder app. Then you're ready for some aquatic exploration. The Lucky Laker is usable in water up to 45 meters in depth and up to 50 meters away from you. So no fish can hide from this must-have gadget. Lakes, rivers and canals. Getting to know your swim can be a bit of a faff, but not only
I'm out here with the iBobber today, and I'm gonna catch some bruisers. Well, there's some fish rising on the surface in here. I know they're here. Here we are, we have the iBobber, and we're in a spot where we can't use the boat's transducer to get in there. We're blocked off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this iBobber to map out the bottom and figure out what kind of depth we're working with. The iBobber sonar is good up to 135 feet, and it's got a fish mode as well as a raw mapping sonar feature. And it's all gonna show up straight on your smartphone. Fish under 15 inches get an orange tag, and fish over 15 inches get a green tag. This is the only mobile sonar that can do that. So another great feature of the iBobber is the waterbed mapping. This thing is gonna be able to be casted out 100 feet and map the entire bottom that's gonna come straight through to your smartphone. This is actually gonna show you the contour of the waterbed, all the nooks and crannies, and that's gonna let you know where those big fish are hiding. So I've used the iBobber to map out how deep it is, and I've switched over to a weight, and that's allowed me to, got him on. There he is, oh, nice one. Thanks to the iBobber, I was able to figure out how deep to put my bait. This beautiful largemouth bass. Let's see if we can't get another one here. Got him, coming in. It's a good fish, it's a good fish. Oh yeah. Yes, 10 minutes with the iBobber. There's our third fish, Reel Sonar pliers. This is the Reel Sonar scale, 1.6 is about what I was thinking. I got him on. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Thanks to the iBobber, this is too easy. Guys, this thing is loaded with a bunch of other great features. You got a trip log on here. It's gonna allow you to record the day's events, and you can even drop pins with GPS locations so that you can remember those great fishing spots. You guys can also log things like temperature, fishing spots, anything you want. You can even upload that to social media and send it to your friends that are stuck at the office. The iBobber has a 10-hour battery life, so this thing is gonna be good for the entire day of fishing. The iBobber is gonna make any day of fishing way better. We all have sonars, or most of us do on our boats these days, but when you have a place that you need to get into that sonar can't read, use the iBobber. You can use the iBobber from a kayak, from your dock, or from the shore. To sum it up, anybody that loves to fish and wants to find fish needs to have an iBobber. iBobber. Cast, find, catch, repeat.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.